Hello, I'm Pete Sharrow from MonuGrid. As part of our video series, I would like to talk to you about the technology behind MonuGrid, which is reinforced soil structures. Here is a great example of the strength of MonuGrid, as it immediately reinforces the soils beneath it. Next step in this project is the asphalt. Did you know that RSS has been used for the past 30 years in applications such as road construction, and that we drive on these structures every day, which is why RSS is far superior to concrete when used for monument foundations. Soils, like concrete, are strong in compression, but weak in tension. RSS are composites of soil reinforced with a tensile element like MonuGrid. Reinforcement improves the strength and stiffness of the soil and is more cost-effective and easy to build and long-lasting. As per this drawing for a very large monument, MonuGrid is fast and easy to install and prevents monuments from sinking, leaning, and dispersing the weight horizontally instead of vertically. Think of how much time and money you will save from no longer having to excavate sinking concrete foundations. Thank you for watching, and look forward to our next video on competent soils. Thank you.